Hey guys, just wanted to show you this quick teaser of what's coming up on the channel. So I got another car. This is a Volkswagen Golf MK7 variant, combi, wagon, call it like you want it. And we have some interesting things over here. We have navigation system, we have DSG gearbox. It's an used car, so I will do some maintenance, service and repairs over here. We will do some coding tutorials and a couple modifications. Also over here I have some vinyl wraps, because this car is not in the Highline trim. As you can see, this is not piano black, but in this rather in this grayish color, and I want to change that. And of course I'm not going to use carbon. Maybe I'm going to use black matte, because I'm not happy with this shiny reflective surface over here. It can blind me when I'm driving, so I'm thinking about something like this, or maybe even something like this. I used this vinyl wrap in my Volvo C30. This could fit here just right. Of course I had to wrap all those elements all the way over here, and I'm going to need a rather big sheet of this vinyl wrap. Okay, so I'm going to also review some hardware in it. This is OBD11, which I'm going to use for coding, and this is Volkswagen data plug, which you can buy at your dealership for here in Poland is 1 zloty, so it's like a quarter of US dollar. I believe it will cost $1 in your dealership, or €1. They pretty much give it for free, and you are supposed to connect it to your OBD2 port, download an application for your smartphone, and this will give you some information about what's your car condition, how's your eco driving going, and so on. And we'll check it in few days. So keep your eye on that. And of course I'm going to install some LEDs. Over here I have set of 2 LEDs for backup lights, and I believe this is going to be one of the first tutorials that I'm going to make. There are going to be some disassembly tutorials for the upper trim, for the Curtis lights, and we are going to install footwell lights because there are none in this car. But luckily the footwell lights should not be that hard to retrofit in this car. We are going to also replace the pedal covers and the footrest and some other minor things. Okay, that was just a quick teaser about what's coming up on the channel. If you have some suggestions what I supposed to do with this MK7 Golf, please leave it in the comments below. If you have some special requests, I will consider all of them. So leave them in comments under this video. Subscribe for future videos, and see you soon.